Welcome to the Ruffled Daisy. Today I'm going to teach you how to make some fun cupcakes out of wall spackling. These are just some of the items that you are going to need. Most of the things you can get at Dollar Tree or a craft store, with the exception of these clay beads. They are sprinkles that you would use on cupcakes and they are not edible. You're going to need some foam balls, and this size fits perfectly inside our cupcake liner. And then you're going to get lightweight spackling. The lightweight is really the only key thing that you need. I don't go with the regular, the lightweight is perfect for these. Then a little bit of paint, and then I got this cake decorating kit from Dollar Tree, and I figured it was perfect to just keep in my craft room for projects just like this. We're going to use the largest tip for this project. Now I'm just going to try to figure out which cupcake liner I want that may go with my decor. I've made these for Valentine's Day, for birthday parties. The first thing you're going to want to do is cut your styrofoam ball in half, because we're actually going to use one styrofoam ball for 2 cupcakes. This one broke a little bit, and you just use a little bit of low temp glue with your heat gun to put that back together. We're going to put the rounded side on the bottom, so our flat side is actually on top, where we're going to put our spackling to look like icing. Now the fun part, we're going to take your lightweight spackling and mix it up really well, and then we're just going to add a little bit of color to it. I would go with a small amount right now, because you can always add more color, and it just, if you make it too dark and you don't like it, then you've kind of ruined the project. So I started out with a little bit of pink, and as you can tell, we're just mixing it up really well, and I wanted it to be a little bit darker, so I just added some more. Mix it up very, very well. This is lightweight, so it's going to mix really good. You need it to be a little bit thinner than what it is in the container. So put a little bit of water in it and just add little by little. The consistency that you are going for is very, very similar to whipped cream. Once you have the consistency that you are comfortable with, you can put it into your decorating bag now. Make sure that you remember we are using the large tip for this. I'm going to put almost all of it into the bag, put our tip on, and then we are going to just start piping it onto our piece. This is so adorable, so much fun. You're going to build it kind of like a mountain. You're just going to start in the center and then go out around the edges and then build it up from there. Next, we're going to take our polymer clay sprinkles and just sprinkle it on like you're decorating a cupcake. I did add some glitter because I thought it just made it really fun. The next thing, I wanted to add a cherry, so I was trying to find a wooden bead that was going to be the size that would resemble a cherry, and so I painted it red and then just kind of pressed it into the top while it's still wet so that it can dry hard in there. And then I did put some more red sprinkles in with the pink sprinkles, and they turned out adorable. If you enjoy this DIY and all things decorating, please visit my website at www.theruffleddaisy.org for more fun ideas.